Hi everyone, I'm currently sitting in what I consider my favorite part of the entire home. It's a space where I come to feel stress free, to feel relaxed, to actually re energize myself and fill myself with creative inspiration whenever I'm low and dull. This is my garden space. This is my terrace garden, and this is a space I haven't shown previously on YouTube. So I'm going to take you guys through the grand tour of both my terrace garden as well as my balcony garden, and also let you know about how I set it up. And do watch until the end of the video for the final reveal of a really special corner of this particular space. So every beautiful space usually has a story behind it, and ours started with deciding to buy a home. And when we saw this apartment, we were really sold on it because of the private terrace space, which we knew right from the start was going to be a garden space for us. While we had a lot of ideas for the space, we were also faced with a lot of questions that we needed to answer. The first question was, what was the soil bed going to look like? The first question was answered quickly because we didn't want to take the risk of laying soil directly on the floor. We decided to go with large format FRP pots. Large format because more the soil bed, better the nutrition for long-term growth of our plants. And some of these pots are actually custom made to fit our terrace garden space. The second question was, where do we source good quality plants from? And this is a very important factor because we wanted plants that won't just last us a year but continue to grow and thrive over several years. As a plant mom over the past couple of years, I've realized that it takes more than checking under the leaf or checking for root rot at the nursery to see if you're getting a good quality plant for your home. There are plant variants that are just built to be stronger, to last longer, and to help you create that thriving garden for your own home without the stress. And that's something I managed to find in India on Ugao. Ugao is an online marketplace that's exclusive for plants and everything that a garden needs. So this is a space where you can get gorgeous plants, containers, seeds, as well as things like fertilizers to keep them thriving. They especially have a staggering variety of gorgeous plants, and I couldn't resist getting myself a lush and beautiful monstera. Ordering from Ugao is completely stress-free. There's no ambiguity. It clearly mentions what's going to come in the box, what is the size of the plant, what is the size of the pot, what is the potting medium used. It also answers questions like how much light does the plant require, what are the watering requirements, and what is the pet safety standards for the plant, as well as how experienced a gardener you need to be for that particular plant. Additional information are customer reviews as well as real customer photographs that really put your mind at ease. All this with a 14-day replacement guarantee in case you receive your plant in a damaged condition. My plant has come in perfect condition, and even though I delayed a couple of days in unboxing it, the plant was in perfect health, which means it had sufficient water and is a great quality plant to start with. Now the plant also has new leaves that are unfurling, which means this is a growing, thriving plant, and the size is as promised on the website. What I really like is also the base, which is a pot that looks beautiful and can be displayed as is, be it indoors or outdoors. It even comes with a drain tray to protect your home and surfaces. This Swiss cheese plant, also called Monstera deliciosa, is going to add such a beautiful tropical vibe to my home, and I can choose to place it both indoors as well as outdoors as long as I keep it out of harsh direct sun. As someone who loves large format plants, I absolutely know for a fact that a monstera of this size available at this price point is great value for money, and in terms of quality there is absolutely no questions in my mind. So the next question is, do I go with ornamental plants all the way, or do I mix it up with some edible produce plants as well? And I think the answer was pretty clear. I definitely love my ornamental plants such as this Monstera deliciosa, so I knew there was no saying no to them. But I also wanted to mix it up with edible produce. So we have plants like chiku, pomegranate, we have drumstick, we have chili, we have lemon, a lot of edible plants as well. And in batches, we've grown plants such as brinjal or eggplant, tomatoes, and of course various herbs, spinach, and all of that. Now Ugao has a great variety of seeds for both edible plants as well as ornamental plants. Do check them out, and they also have seed starter kits that make the entire process far more easy. It's a very satisfying and gratifying process, so definitely give it a try at least once in your life to watch something grow from seed to produce. We've come to the last question, which is the most important one. We have our ornamental plants, we have our edible plants. Now, how do we go about taking care and maintaining them? This is the most important part because it keeps your plants not only surviving but growing and thriving, and that is nutrition. So when it comes to nutrition as well, I'd like to look at organic sources because I've experimented with chemical based fertilizers in the past and have been burnt quite literally. So too much of fertilizers like DAP can actually burn your plants, and I've been there, done that. So that's why I have purchased for myself the cow manure fertilizer from Ugao. It's an extremely well balanced and mild fertilizer. It's got all your important ingredients like nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus in the right balance, and it's something that you don't have to worry about going overboard with. Now what you can do is you can mix your potting soil with such fertilizers and actually create the soil bed itself this way, or if you already have potted plants, then you can simply loosen the top 2 inches of soil and add in the cow manure fertilizer and simply add water to it and you're done. And this can be done throughout the year, every 2 months or so, and it will keep your plants not only surviving but actually growing and thriving. We've now come to the last part of the video, which is a reveal of a very special place that I promised you at the start. So this is the portion of our terrace garden which we decided would be a place where we can sit and enjoy a meal or entertain guests or just really relax. So this is an area which we were able to redesign because we were able to redo the tiles for the floor here, and we added some Moroccan tiles to add color and texture. We also went for a jali screen here which gives us privacy, at the same time allows light in, and of course the pergola at the top protects us from the rain. So it's a great setup. We've added some simple furniture and a beautiful large scale mirror which reflects the entire garden on this side as well, which would have otherwise just been a blank wall. Now we have a small fountain and we have some small plants here as well, and overall we've created a very zen-like space for us. We enjoy some breakfast here, we also enjoy the evening cup of chai here, and what's more interesting is that we've gone for cafe style lights here, which also creates the perfect playground for birds from our neighboring BDA garden. So they come over in the evening and they use the wires as their personal swing. And we've been lucky not once but twice with a pair of red-cheeked bulbuls deciding to make our plants their home for nesting. So we're currently seeing the second nest and the second pair of eggs grow up. So can't wait for them to hatch into little chicks and grow into the beautiful intelligent birds that they are. So overall this garden has given me so much of joy for the amount of effort and patience that I've put into it. It's given me in 100-fold return of peace and joy, and I hope you can do the same for your own home, no matter how big or small the balcony or terrace space is. You can check out Ugao for a lot of amazing plant related products, and of course if you have any questions for me, do leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, take care and see you in the next one.